If your Chevy Colorado suddenly refuses to connect to Apple CarPlay, don't panic, because the fix is usually simple. Statistically, 80% of infotainment connection issues are solved by a simple handshake reset between the phone and the truck. Let us start by narrowing down the root cause of your connection failure. First, swap your charging cable, check your iPhone restrictions, and perform a hard reboot of the infotainment unit. Software conflicts are common, so verify that Siri is enabled and try deleting your device profile to repair it fresh. If software tweaks fail, check the USB port for physical debris or damaged pins inside the truck console. Most fixes are free DIY tasks, but if the internal USB module is dead, you'll need professional diagnostic help. The cost varies wildly from $0 for a reset to over $100 for hardware module replacement. Try testing a different phone to isolate the issue, and check your cabin fuses before resorting to a factory reset. Keep a high-quality cable and compressed air handy to keep your connection ports clean and functional. Remember, always start with the simplest solution before you ever consider tearing into your dashboard. If this guide helped you reconnect, hit that like button and subscribe for more truck troubleshooting tips.